The Zacks rank, value, momentum, growth, and income all factor into Zacks rank buys.
Here are a couple of aggressive growth stocks you may want to take a look at as we near the holiday season. Our aggressive growth stock strategist, Brian Boland's here to actually tell us more and tell us why they're important when holiday time comes around. I guess there's one that applies before the season, one that would apply after the season, right?
Exactly. So a little play on the time frame of the holidays, you know, what the consumers are thinking.
Yeah. So the first one is Amazon.
Right, Amazon, and I think everyone kind of knows the story with Amazon. You know, it's that multi-brand e-tailer, if you will.
Yeah.
You know, we all know we like to search Amazon for the best items to buy, and there's also the people that are selling through Amazon. It's a Zacks rank too, and normally we do number ones, but I wanted to highlight these two stocks because they're not just because they're number twos, which are buy ranks, but also because it fits in well with this holiday theme.
Cool.
Amazon's got the growth style score of A and value score of F. And, you know, I like that because that tells me that the growth investors are willing to pay up for something and the value investors hate it. And that bodes well for those stocks that have, you know, big revenue and growth power there. And that's what Amazon's all about.
All right.
Strong earnings over the last couple quarters and even a strong earnings ESP, which is something that's proprietary here at Zacks. You can find that on the Amazon quote page,
right?
And it tells us that it's a probability of earnings coming in ahead of expectations. Finally, you know, what I'm seeing in the retailer space, I'm seeing you know, a lot of bad reports coming from the traditional retailers, and the idea is that market share is, you know, shifting from the traditional retailers to Amazon. So the stock has been doing quite well over the last, you know, several weeks. Several earnings reports have done, you know, the stock has gone up over 100% this year. Still expected to have a very good fourth quarter.
This next one might be more appropriate for people to look at after the holiday season, after they've consumed all of that holiday food. Weight Watchers.
Right. Weight Watchers been in the press a lot here. You know, I think, you know, obviously it's the weight loss thing, it's the meetings, it's the food, it's the everything that goes along with it. It's a rank 2 as well, just like Amazon. A little bit different here on the style scores here. I don't think the style scores have caught up to the recent surge in price. We have the growth score of C and the value score of B. I don't think that the value will be a B much longer if this refreshes here. You know, obviously the big news with Weight Watchers is the Oprah buy-in. You know, she bought a 10% stake and options for another 5%. Which will, you know, give her about 15% of the company. There was a very large short position on this, and this caused a squeeze. So you saw the stock go from, you know, 6 to, and I think it's around $23, $24 a share right now. Also incorporate in there the idea that there was an earnings event where they took down, you know, there was a beat, but guidance came in significantly. So we saw gross margin expectation really shrink by about 575 basis points. That's 5.75% if you're keeping score at home. And what we're looking for is a big play later tonight. The short interest is going to be reported tonight after the market close. And tonight
the 10th of November.
10th of November. You can look at NASDAQ.com for that information after the close, after 4 p.m.
All right.
And
4 p.m. Central.
Right, and we're looking for either a big move lower or almost a maintain that will let us know if the shorts are staying in this stock or not, if it's been mostly just a short squeeze, or if there's more to come. You know, I'm in the belief here that there's more to come. I don't think the shorts are going to give up on this one just because Oprah's in it right here. So I think that there's a good chance that this stock rolls tomorrow, you know, or into the future with Oprah, with the holiday promotions, you know, commercials coming up, and obviously if she sheds more pounds, the stock will pick those pounds up.
All right, it's going to be interesting to watch. Do you own either one?
I do not.
All right, check out more stock information, stock picks, stock picking strategies, and stock commentary on our website, Zacks.com. If you're not there already watching this video, get on over. You can link to it off the homepage. If you're watching this video on the YouTube platform, don't forget you can subscribe to our videos there and even comment on them. Meantime, with Brian, I'm Terry Ruffalo.